Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a page on Facebook. And for this, make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account, and from here I will show you how we can create this. Alright, first of all, log into your Facebook account and then tap on menu right in the bottom. Then scroll down to the option where it says Pages. Tap on that. Then from here, tap on the icon Create. And from here, we want to get started. So that's the first way. Fill in your page name, and that is example page. Do return and then tap on next. From here, create the category that you want to create a page with. So I will create a page about tech. So now let's do this, it's fine. And then after that, do return and then do create. All right, from here, we have the option to create content and connect with fans or promote your products or services. When you have an e-com business or something like that, I prefer to do promote your products or services. But for me, it's just for creating content. So I will choose the second option and then do continue. So from here, we can customize our page. So we can add a photo if you want and a banner if you want that too. But for me, it's not necessary for now. Then tap on next. Then tap on next. Tap on next. There are a lot of options how you can invite friends or people around you. For me, it's not important. I just want to show you guys how to create the page. Page notifications on your profile. Don't do that, because otherwise a lot of people will find notifications on your personal profile. So if you want that, you can turn that on, but for me it's not necessary. Then do done. Switching to example page. And from here, we just created our own page. We have a dashboard just right here where you can start a tour. But for me, it's not necessary. The dashboard will show you a lot of details like reach, new followers, people that watch your page. So keep that in mind. That's a very nice option. We can edit our profile just right here with everything we want. And we can create a post, story, reel, or live, what we want. All right, this is how it works. And if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.